U MLA ka BJP uba AL hek ha ka laitrik ber ula penpahawi ka jing snus kem ba ka parti kan la ban le bha ha ka election sha ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC ka ban long ha ka shipotrik yayong ngidon ya ka jingkermen bangin la ban le bha ha ka ni election GHADC ka ban wan ong uba hek ha ba ban ram ngidang persyang ban yok kertong na baro arm kendari ki constituency Henry kat haduk mentai ngila yo application tang nakabentai ki kat kendari ki seat kani kadekat hop kerteng ka baningkong ha ka bayadai bat ka jingbam sha iki bam dei riulum banya khun election ni tap vote unong ai ktien barang ba ka BJP uba M kharkrang ulaong ba ka BJP kampat rai AA halor kani namani ka jingpen bana dang shupen mi shen Pidai ban keli ya kan ka jingkeli ki namar khamashwa kila sha Henry menta na kaliang ka party kampat rai AA namar ka ni ka jingpen bana kadang shumi kadang kloy palat ban keren AA halor kani ulaong uba hek ula benram nakata ka daw baka ni ka kam ka dang don ha ka jinga keren Ginsa don ya ka jingalang bat hadin kani ka jingalang insa shum ya ka rai haba kali halor ka election ha Assam uba hek ulaong bakino ngalam kila sha benshen ban let yalap election sya kanu ka jaka bak Assam BJP ka kwa eki katakan syong ha kino ngalam jo ka BJP na Assam kanu ka constituency ka bakin bha nginlong ki balak re ban let ula benram
Maybe 26 candidate, but now already declared of 19 seats, and we are hopeful that we will be able to do well for this upcoming district council election of Garo Hills district. We are trying to get more than all the 29 seats, but so far we have already recorded the applicants for 29 seats. 19 seats. This is the first list, yeah.
But Sachin, the thing is, District Council, Garo Hills, I think you should ask the questions to them. Because earlier they were allowed, but now because of this notification that has come up. So right now from the party side, we have not decided anything on this, whether we should support it or not. Because this notification has just come out. So I think this is too early for us to comment anything on this.
Depend on the leadership of Assam BJP. Whatever they gauge us which constituency to go, we are ready. But not yet so far. Because the election also has not been declared.